Tornado emergency for Columbus, Georgia. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northern Russell, Muskogee, and Lee counties. At 7:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Bibb City, or near Columbus, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Columbus, Georgia. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, law enforcement confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Lee, northeastern Macon, and northern Russell counties, including the following locations: Locapoca, Robert G. Pitts Airport, I-85 Rest Area, Othopee Creek, Monterey Heights, Chewacla State Park, Roxana, Fort Mitchell, Ladonia Sports Complex, and Marvin. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.